Name that farm animal. What is the name of this animal? Cow. What is the name of this animal? Sheep. What is the name of this animal? Duck. What is the name of this animal? Horse. What is the name of this animal? Chicken. What is the name of this animal? Goat. What is the name of this animal? Pig. What is the name of this animal? Donkey. What is the name of this animal? Goose. Last one. What is the name of this animal? Rabbit. Good job. It's quiz time. Let's see what you've learned. Cow. Sheep. Duck. Horse. Chicken. Goat. Pig. Donkey. Goose. Rabbit. Good job.